Dear scholars, here through this video, I am going to explain one of the important topics in English grammar, that is subject and predicate. Before explaining what the subject is and what the predicate is, you must know what is a sentence, because these two, subject and predicate, are the parts of sentence. So let's learn something about sentence first of all. Here I have used a simple definition of sentence. Sentence can be defined in various way. So here is the simple way, or some simple words I use to define it. What is it? A group of words that has specific arrangement and a complete sense. So sentence should have a group of words. Next, whatever words used in that group, they should be arranged properly with specific arrangement, and it should give out a complete sense, complete meaning, proper meaning. Let's make it clear with the help of given examples. Here I have mentioned below two groups of words. Words are same in both the groups. Let us see which group is the sentence. First group, play I cricket. It is a group of words. Does it have specific arrangement? Okay, let it be. If we consider we do not know, then what about its sense? Do you get complete sense after reading these words? Definitely no. Or do you get proper sense, proper meaning of the group of these words? So definitely no. So here the first group of words doesn't give out complete sense. It means it doesn't have specific arrangement of the words, and so this group of words is not a sentence. What about second? Let us read. I play cricket. I have used same words over here. Let us think of, do you get complete sense or not? I play cricket. Do you get complete sense, complete meaning, proper meaning? What is the answer? Yes. So here reading these words we get complete sense. It means it has specific arrangements of word order. So we can say that the second group of words is a sentence. What is that specific arrangement? So it is subject plus verb plus object. Instead object, there may be complement or adverbial or any other part. So in short, sentence is a group of words which has specific arrangement, or they are arranged in specific order, that is subject, verb and object, or complement or adverbial specially, and most important, it gives out complete sense. I hope you all might have cleared the concept of sentence now. Now let's come to our topic, that is subject and predicate. So sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. So we can say that subject plus predicate is equal to sentence, or sentence is equal to subject plus predicate. Then what is subject and what is predicate? Let's make it clear reading something more about it. First of all, here sentence has a two parts as mentioned over here. What subject can be and what predicate can be, let me tell you about it first. So subject can be a noun. What noun? A name of person, place, animal, thing, or any idea, that is abstract noun. And it can be a pronoun. What pronoun? I, we, you, he, she, etc. It can be a noun phrase. What is noun phrase? If more than one word working as a noun or as a subject, that is called as a noun phrase. Noun phrase also can be used as an object. What about predicate? So predicate always include verb, and there is something more in the sentences, that is the remaining part of the sentence. It can be an object, complement or adverbial. Remember, every sentence has at least a subject and a verb. So verb, it belongs to predicate. Along with verb, some other words can be added. I hope you are cleared with this concept of what can be a subject and what can be a predicate. Now let us learn the definitions of them. So what is subject? It is given over here. So subject is a part of a sentence that shows who or what does action. Who is doing action in the sentence? What is doing action in the sentence? Or whose information is given in the sentence? That part of a sentence is called a subject. Then what about predicate? Let us see what is predicate. So predicate is also a part of sentence that tells something about the subject. It means whatever information of the subject is given in the sentence, that information is called the predicate of the predicate in that sentence. I hope you are cleared with the definitions of subject and predicate. Let us practice, let us make the concepts more clear or clearer, practicing the examples. Here is the first example. Sandeep reads a book. Just think of, according to definition, whose information is given in the sentence or who is doing the action in the sentence. What is that? Is it Sandeep? Is it reads? Is it a, or is it book? So definitely, who is doing action in the sentence? That is Sandeep, right? So here in this sentence, noun Sandeep is the subject, and as I've told you before this, subject can be a noun. So the first example provided over here has a subject Sandeep, which is a noun. Now what information given about Sandeep? That is a predicate. So what is it? Reads a book. Or what is action of Sandeep? Reads a book. So this information is the predicate in this sentence. I repeat, Sandeep is the noun over here who is doing action in this sentence. So Sandeep is the subject. What is his action? That is reads what? A book. So here reads a book is the predicate in this sentence. And remember, predicate always includes verb. Let us see the second example. He reads a book. Who is doing action? He, right? So it is the subject over here. What is the action of the subject over here, or what information is provided? Reads a book. So it is the predicate over here. Then Sandeep is the noun, that is a subject. What about subject in the second sentence? The word he. What is he? Is it noun? No. Is it pronoun? Yes. So as you came to know over here, subject can be a noun, subject can be a pronoun. So first example is telling about noun, which is a subject. In the next one, it is the word he, that is a pronoun, is the predicate. So it is the subject and reads a book is the predicate. Same in the above sentence. Sandeep subject, reads a book, predicate. Next example. A boy reads a book. Same according to definition. Who is doing action? Whose information is provided or given? What is that? Boy, right? So here two words we have to use together. A boy. These two words in this sentence doing action, because these two words is the example of noun phrase, and so doing the action accordingly, and it is the subject over here. What information is provided or what is the action? Reads a book, so it is the predicate over here. So in the first example, word Sandeep is the noun doing the action and accordingly it is the subject. In the second example, word he is the pronoun and doing the action in the sentence, so it is the subject. And in the third example, two words working as a noun and doing the action, so it is the noun phrase and it is the subject over here. And what about predicate? In all three examples I have used same predicate, same words as a predicate. I hope you are cleared with this concept of noun, pronoun and noun phrase as well as subject and predicate. Let's practice some more examples, because here in these all examples I have used action verb. Next, Sarah is a clever girl. Who is doing action? No one, because here in this sentence no action verb is used. Then whose information is given in the sentence? So that is Sarah. So here in this sentence Sarah is the noun who is doing action in the sentence, so it is a subject. What information about Sarah is given? That is a clever girl. So this is the information, and as I already told, predicate always include verb. So here Sarah, which is a noun and it is a subject, and is a clever girl is the information about the noun, so it is the predicate over here. Next example, the clouds had disappeared. Whose information or who is doing any action over here? So here are the two words, the clouds. So it is the noun phrase working as a subject in this sentence because its information or its action is given. So it is the subject. What is that information or what is that action? So it is had disappeared. So it is the predicate over here. Next and last example, it is something different than all the 5 examples we discussed before this. Up went the balloon. Who is doing action? Whose information is given? So that is the balloon, right? It is a noun phrase and it's doing action in this sentence, so it is the subject. What is that information? What is its action? That is up went. So it is the predicate over here. So through this example, I would like to make you clear that subject can come in the beginning, but it also can come in the end. Just like all the 5 examples before this, we saw subject came in the beginning, but here in this example, subject came in the end. Subject can also come in the middle. For example, in the morning, I play cricket. So, whose information or who is doing action in the sentence? That is the pronoun I. So, I is the subject and it came in the middle. And whatever other words are there at the before the subject and after the subject, they all are the part of predicate. So remember, subject can come in the beginning, just like the example of Sarah, the clouds and all three examples discussed before this, and it can come in the end, just like in this example, the last example. And as I told about, in the morning I play cricket, subject can come in the middle also. So here in this video we discuss about subject and predicate. We discuss about what a sentence is. Then we saw sentence means the sum of subject and predicate, that is the two parts are added. Then we thought about, or then we discuss about, subject can be a noun, pronoun, or a noun phrase, and predicate always includes verb and some other part. Next we discuss the definitions of subject and predicate, and later on it's some of the examples. I hope you all are cleared with the concepts of subject and predicate. I hope you all will understand the given information, the definitions, the provided examples, and the concept of subject, predicate, and especially a noun phrase.